In this first module, we're going to be studying probability and distribution theory. Before we jump into those topics, however, we need to talk about the context in which we're going to be studying them, and that context is statistics. In this lecture video, I'm going to give a brief overview of the field of statistics. We'll first talk about the field of statistics by providing a high-level description of what statistics is all about. We'll then talk about the realm of statistics by giving examples of the various fields in which statistics can be applied. So let's first talk about the field of statistics. Statistics is often described as the field of study concerned with the collection, summarization, and presentation of data, and the use of the resulting information in making inferences about the population or process from which the data were obtained. More generally, statistics can be described as the field of study that deals with making decisions in the face of uncertainty, of drawing conclusions based on incomplete information. In order to make decisions in the face of uncertainty, that uncertainty must be taken into account somehow in the decision-making process. When drawing a conclusion based on incomplete information, we can never be completely certain that our conclusion is correct. A statistical conclusion has two parts: the decision itself and a measure of the reliability of and/or confidence we can have in that decision. Okay, next let's talk about the realm of statistics, the areas to which statistics can be applied. Given that the field of statistics deals with decision-making in the face of uncertainty, where can statistical methods be applied for making inferences, for drawing data-based decisions? Well, in all sorts of areas, including business, really all of the empirical sciences, government and political decision-making, as well as personal decision-making. Statistics is used in making decisions in business in many areas. For example, banks and credit card companies use statistics to assess credit risk and for determining who to issue credit cards to. Insurance companies use statistics and actuarial techniques in assessing long-term risk and determining policy premiums that will ensure adequate capital reserves. Online businesses use statistics to develop tailored marketing based on purchase histories, items currently in an online shopping cart, or relationships or comments made on social media such as Facebook and X, formerly known as Twitter. Statistics is used in the empirical sciences. For example, in the social sciences, it's used in psychology, sociology, kinesiology, and political science, to name a few. It's used in the agricultural and aquacultural sciences, such as soil science, agronomy, animal science, entomology, and fishery science. And it's also used heavily in the medical and health sciences, in particular pharmaceutical development, clinical trials, and evidence-based medicine. Statistics is used by governmental agencies and also in political decision-making. Regulatory agencies such as the Environmental Protection Agency, the Federal Trade Commission, and the Food and Drug Administration are all heavy users of statistical methodologies. The U.S. Census Bureau and the Bureau of Labor Statistics all use statistics in coming up with the census and determining the demographics of our country and also assessing the economic state of the country. And statistics is used in political polling and determining the pulse of the public on different issues. Some examples of polling companies would be Gallup Poll, Harris Insights and Analytics, Pew Research Center, Rasmussen Reports, and Zogby International. So we see that statistics is applicable anywhere people are engaged in making decisions based on empirical data, as it provides methodologies spanning the scientific process from study design through data analysis and the interpretation of results. The field of statistics can be said to provide methodologies for the rational implementation of the scientific method. So here's a question for you. Where are the methods of statistics not applicable? You may be hard-pressed to think of any because statistics is so widely applicable. All right, so that's the end of this lecture video. I'll see you in the next video.